What is your full name, please?
Christopher Flores Gañez.
You are charged with 2 separate counts of aggravated assault involving a deadly weapon. It is a domestic violence charge. Separate charges of domestic violence, aggravated assault involving deadly weapon. There's 4 counts of that. A domestic violence kidnapping charge and a domestic violence, aggravated domestic violence charge. I'm going to enter pleas of not guilty to all those charges. Let you know you do have a constitutional right to remain silent, to be represented by an attorney. You do have an attorney who is seated next to you representing you for this evening's hearings. I'm going to hear first from the prosecutor's office, then your attorney. You do have a probation hold on you. Mr. Hotchkiss?
We're requesting a $150,000 bond. If the allegations in the interim complaint are even half true, and frankly, they were sworn out on the road, so there's probably some substance to them. There's a lot of concerning things going on here. The involvement of children, the repeated threatening and intimidation with a firearm, a long history of domestic violence, on probation for a domestic violence offense. Form 4C responses then indicate a sky-high lethality. Everything about this case suggests that he is a very dangerous individual as it relates to the female victim. For that reason, the $150,000 bond is warranted. Thank you.
Defense counsel?
Your Honor, he has lived in Tucson for 20 years and does have ties to the community. He's currently homeless, so any amount of bond is going to be a lot for him to post. Also, he has that hold, so he's not going to be released. I'd ask that you set the bond at $15,000.
Mr. Flores Kennedy, your bond set at $150,000. You are not allowed to have any contact with the victim involved in this case. Don't call the person, see the person, text the person, social media the person. If you were to get out of custody, you cannot go to where that person lives or works, possess no firearms or weapons, commit no further acts of domestic violence. Public Defender's Office is appointed to represent you. May 9th, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. is your preliminary hearing. You are excused. Thank you.
What's ours? Jinx.